Hey everybody, so we have a very interesting project today. As you saw, so we panned over here. We have some strawberries, then we have this tower of strawberries here. We need to take these, we need to transplant them into the ground. Sounds easy, but it's not. It's actually a lot of work, so hang around. We're gonna get into it today. Let's go. So the rear turn tiller does an absolutely amazing job. Look at this soil. It's absolutely awesome, and it dug down so easy. This ground is so supple. But whenever you do break new ground, you do got to get the grass out. So we're going to take a little bit of time to get this out. It comes out in pretty good clumps. So, if you do this, you can see a lot of, different grass coming out, taking out a lot of clumps. We're going to do this a couple times, but I mean, just look at this. This is awesome. All right, everybody, so you can tell that was actually not an easy process of preparing the ground, getting it ready, transplanting all these strawberries. What actually took a long time to do, but I think it's going to be worth it. We're going to have strawberries in the next season. We got to cover it for the winter time, get it prepared. But other than that, I hope that you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell down at the bottom. We'll see you in the next one.